Google's built-in time filters have stopped doing the one thing they're meant to do: filter by time. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to tech hub. Users worldwide are reporting that search now shows an unarranged list of old and new pages, regardless of which date range they select, turning your queries into another guessing game. The problem isn't restricted by the specific web browser, a specific account, or a specific kind of query, since it's been detected across different devices and queries, thus pointing at a technical error on Google's part rather than on its users' part. Rather than restricting search results to the specified period of time, such as past hour, past 24 hours, past week, past month, past year, or custom range, search has been bringing pages from unrelated dates. The problem was noticed first when the user reported that filters that functioned just fine a few days ago started failing. Reddit posts suggest that these same errors are experienced by other people, and this problem has been ongoing for several days now. There's a manual fix while the drop-down stays broken. Typing a date operator straight into the search bar, for example, after 2026 June 1st, still filters results correctly because the underlying operator is not affected. Only the visual drop-down filter appears to be malfunctioning, which one Reddit user has linked to a possible fault in the JavaScript running that interface rather than Google's core search indexing. Google has not issued a public statement or a timeline for a fix. Until it does, anyone relying on search for time-sensitive research, breaking news, or recent developments should default to the date operator rather than the drop-down. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.